Hi, this is Tom Varcie, Military Embedded Systems, Day 2 live at Unmanned Systems 2015. Got editor John McHale with us today. John, I got one question. What's happening on the show today?
Well, thanks, Tom. Lots happening on the show today. Hollywood is here. What do I mean by Hollywood? Well, there's an interesting company called Unmanned, I think I pronounced that correctly, has a product called Connects, which enables Wi-Fi between for cameras and directors on the Hollywood sets. But it's popular as it has practically zero latency, and it's finding use in unmanned systems. It's also found use in surgical endoscopic surgery, but they're using it in unmanned systems. It has a range of about 1 kilometer, and they can basically, with over that range, they can control it, zero latency. They can control all the telemetry data that comes in. They can read that. But what it really is an example of a trend within the defense industry to start leveraging technology from outside defense, where defense is now a consumer of technology, just like the rest of us. They don't drive it. And the Connects from Unmanned is a perfect example of that. And by leveraging this technology, it's very easy to use. You can pull it right out of the box. You can put it together in 5 minutes. It goes to a trend which is, you don't want to just save money by enabling capability through off-the-shelf electronics. You want to save money in training. By having commonality and easy-to-train systems, it saves tons of millions of dollars in the long run, because often the training budget is much higher than the actual capability budget. So along those lines, that's kind of the trend we're seeing there. We're also seeing that, we talked about yesterday how the show is becoming more commercial focused. It's also becoming more focused on payloads, as we talked about, with sensor processing and video processing. And with video processing, you're seeing reduced size, weight, and power. A lot of reduced, very small chips from a company such as Sightline, which was here, which makes very tiny embedded processing for pretty much exclusively military unmanned system video payloads. And the other thing there's a lot of companies here doing is they're making the inertial sensors for those payloads, which keeps the payloads balanced. Companies such as Sentinor out of Norway, which have become very popular. Their technology is not US-based. Their technology is very strong, and it's being used for very higher-end platforms. And then there's companies like VectorNav and others that make these navigation sensors for the payloads, for the smaller unmanned systems. What's also unique, to kind of take it back to where we started, Sentinor's little inertial sensors are also used by Hollywood for their video camera stabilization. So, Tom, it's a lot of fun. It's not just rockets and bombs, it's Hollywood, it's unmanned systems, drones are everywhere.
Wow, sounds like a lot of advanced technology, a lot of exciting things going on at Unmanned Systems 2015. I'm Tom Varcie, Military Embedded Systems. Again, this is John McHale, editor of Military Embedded Systems. We'll see you tomorrow.